I guess now we are inside the station. और इधर जो न्यू दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन है, यहाँ पे अंदर ट्रेन्स वगैरह खड़ी हैं और लोग वेट कर रहे हैं। काफ़ी सारे लोग अपने अपने डेस्टिनेशन पे जाने के लिए, काफ़ी लोग वेट कर रहे हैं इधर। तो लोग ऐसे ही वेट करते हैं। इधर कुछ मशीन्स वगैरह लगी हैं शायद क्लीनिंग के लिए। और ये ट्रेन्स हैं, यहाँ पे देखिए, आप देखेंगे ट्रेन्स हैं, काफ़ी सारी ट्रेन्स वेट कर रही हैं। तो हमें एक्चुअली दूसरे स्टेशन के ऊपर जाना है, तो दूसरा स्टेशन है उसके ऊपर जाना है हमने, 13। तो जो गया के लिए जाएगा ना स्टेशन, वो ट्रेन वहाँ से जाएगी ट्रेन। तो हम उधर जाते हैं, मूव करते हैं। नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स स्टेशन नंबर 13। ओके, दैट्स आई आस्क समबडी किधर है ट्रेन। तो मैंने अभी पूछा है यहाँ पे, तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि ऊपर से जाना पड़ेगा 13 नंबर स्टेशन के लिए। हम नई दिल्ली की तरफ से एंट्री किए हैं और यहाँ पे 13 नंबर स्टेशन के लिए हमें ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा। ऊपर से जाके दूसरी साइड जाना पड़ेगा। वो अजमेरी गेट वाला साइड है, उसको अजमेरी गेट वाला साइड बोलते हैं। तो हमें वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, उधर 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 थोड़ा सा आगे जाके। हाँ, तो काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे। ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे लोग हैं इधर, ये देखिए काफ़ी लोग चढ़ रहे हैं, बैग ले लेके चढ़ रहे हैं अपने अपने। और काफ़ी सारे स्टेशन है बेसिकली इधर ना, इसमें ही बहुत सारे स्टेशन हैं चारों तरफ। अगर आप देखेंगे इतने सारे स्टेशन हैं। ये ट्रेन से ये देखिए,
प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 पर आएगी।
हाँ, ये देखिए काफ़ी सारे ये ट्रेन हैं।
कुछ ही समय में प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 पर आएगी।
ये ट्रेन के स्टेशन हैं एक्चुअली। अलग अलग लोग दूसरी लोकेशन से आते हैं यहाँ पे। डिफरेंट लोकेशंस एक्चुअली दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम, एंड दे कैच देयर ट्रेन्स फ्रॉम हियर। प्लेटफॉर्म 13 इज आगे, so we have to walk a bit more and find our station here. See so many people here, lots of crowd here. काफ़ी सारे लोग हैं, चारों तरफ भीड़ ही भीड़ है। ये तो जैसे ट्रेडमार्क ऑफ इंडिया, ये ट्रेडमार्क है इंडिया का। भीड़ ही भीड़ है चारों तरफ। एशिया में इस सब जगह ऐसा ही हाल है। आप कहीं पे भी चले जाइए। हाँ, ये शायद ये 12 नंबर और ये 13 नंबर पब्लिक। इधर 12 होगा और उधर 13 होगा। तो हम जाते हैं 13 नंबर स्टेशन के ऊपर, ठीक है। तो 13 नंबर स्टेशन पे जा रहे हैं और हम अब एंट्री करेंगे यहाँ पे। ये शायद 13 नंबर स्टेशन है, हम जा रहे हैं इसके अंदर। और लोग so many people coming here, so we just have a glance at their faces, how they look, the different dresses. This is India, different clothes, different dresses, different faces, and you find lots of varieties of expressions on the people's faces. See, look. Lots of people here, they're thinking something is about their life, their patterns, and different colors of clothes actually they wear. And बहुत सारे अलग अलग कलर वेशभूषा के लोग हैं यहाँ पे। हिंदुस्तान के अंदर, भारत के अंदर बहुत सारे लोग हैं और सब अलग अलग हैं। सब इनके कपड़े, इनके फेसेस, इनके वॉकिंग, जो भी है हर चीज़ यहाँ पे जितने भी हैं लोग, सारे लोग अलग अलग प्रांत के लोग हैं। हिंदुस्तान बहुत बड़ा देश है। इंडिया इज अ वेरी बिग कंट्री एक्चुअली। इस 30 states and a few more union territories actually in India. There are lots of people, around 140 crores people live in India. And 140 crores people live in India. You can imagine how many number of people are here. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ और लोग अपने अपने डेस्टिनेशन के लिए जाते हैं, अलग अलग जगह पे जहाँ रहते हैं वो वहाँ पे जॉब करने जाते हैं, अलग अलग स्टेट्स में जॉब करने जाते हैं। फिर वो वापस आते हैं अपने रिलेटिव से मिलने के लिए, गाँव में जाते हैं, अपने स्टेट्स में जाते हैं, शहरों में वापस जाते हैं। तो इट्स कमिंग एंड गोइंग ऑफ lots of people around, and that's an amazing thing about India, that so many people of different views and colors and patterns and styles live in India all together peacefully with harmony. there's so many minds and so many people, but still they live together. And I think largely enough people are living very peacefully and happily. With some exceptions here and there, maybe the politically motivated exceptions, that people, the political parties for their vested agendas, they make people fight with each other. Otherwise, largely, 140 crores is a big population, and they all live peacefully and together, and they share their happiness, their festivals together. They all are together. Is that whatever is in the foreign media about India, many things are misquoted and misguided and manipulated, in fact. But the truth is, they all live together and very happily and peacefully here. So all they live together. Even if they're for their personal matters, actually personal work or job, they have some tensions on their faces. But that is only personal, and otherwise they all live nicely. They celebrate, they live together, and this is India actually. So it's a hallmark of India. 140 crore people living together happily. Generally you see not even very few people actually, not even few members in one family can live together happily. But here you see how many people live happily. But you can call it like it's your perception of your mind, but it's not only a perception of my mind. You can also see how many people here and how many number of events of rights or something. That is, I told you, this is only politically motivated or politically planned to polarize the votes and something else. That's a different politics altogether. But if you see the common people, I go there and I shoot out there, and I'll show you more people living together and how the people live in villages actually. They all people coming from small states and small villages, and you will see the pattern whether they are fighting or not. To prove my point, I will show you the pictures and the videos of the people living all around. So wherever I go, I'll shoot it out and I'll tell you. You will see yourself whether they're living, whether I'm telling you a lie or what is lie. It's quoted in the newspapers, on the international media, or wherever it is. What is the truth behind the reality of India? You see, I just keep traveling, and you can see the truth by yourself, and you judge what is happening in India, whether I'm quoting the true things or I'm quoting on my own. No, nothing else. I just show you you can see in the pics. Whatever it is there before your eyes. India is a beautiful country, very beautiful country, and so many beautiful people, actually different people. You find so many varieties of people, of different languages, so many more than 1800 dialects are spoken in India, and thousands of people, lakhs of people in fact, and more than 1800 languages, dialects, different style of, their own personal what do you call the language actually. Language, you can call it a language because they speak those dialects in fact. So there are more than 1800. Like on every 20 kilometers you find a different the language of speaking actually. The dialects, different dialects are there. So you can find there, and you can judge yourself, see. So how many different people, different languages, different cultures, so many varieties here, and still they live together. That's the stunning part of India. The most stunning part of India, this is India, actually. So it's a God's own country, God's blessing actually. Many writers come from abroad and they see, and many quote India. That's a disorderly order country, chaos, but it's in order. Everything disorderly order. See, outwardly you find there's so many chaos, so many people walking here, there, all around, and but actually you think that all are in a rhythm of their own, and everything is going on. And you see even a rickshaw puller, person pulling their rickshaws in the heat, in the sun, around many times it's around 48-degree temperature, and they're smiling. So many of my foreign friends, they ask me, why is smiling? He's suffering so much. He's living this kind of life. Why is smiling? And then I told him that he is content. Actually, he is contentment of your desires. Actually, he is happy with whatever it is, and they leave it on God. Whatever is happening in the world is a destiny, or maybe is because of the God. Actually, so they can't do anything else, and they try to remain happy in whatever they find around. Even the Riksha puller is working hard in the sun. He thinks that this is nice, and he enjoy his whatever condition he is in. So they don't regret life that, oh, I don't have this, and don't crying all the time and ruin the present. We always living in the past or thinking about the future, and we destroy the present. And whatever is the present, everybody should try to enjoy the present, and that is life. Actually, the present is the life, not the past. Past is gone. Future is nowhere near. It's something to happen later on. But present is very, very important, and this is what people like in India. They like to enjoy the present. Actually, they remain happy. They believe in God. They have strong faith in God, and they think God is doing everything, so we can't do nothing else. And this is the truth, or not, is can be debated. Many people have a different patterns of thinking, that they think that this is not true. Destiny is not true. I don't believe in destiny. I don't believe in God. It's their perception. Everybody has their own perception of life. So later on, we'll go on the train and see what is in the store, inside the train or something, and which train we find. We'll report you back later. So see you till then. Take care. So now it's on the other side. Actually, I was waiting on the other side, the different side of the platform. This is 13. 13, platform number 13, and here we have to find our train. And right now a train is stationed here, and this train, I don't know, some other train maybe. So I'm waiting for my brothers to come here. We go all together. Actually, they will come after some time, around maybe, I don't know, 3:30 or something. So they will come in half an hour or something like this. These are the trains inside. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, that yeah. Inside the trains, the local trains here. So I'll find out. My train is not come as yet. It will come later on, and so we'll see which is the train. Is the Rajdhani or something? Rajdhani train, and so. We'll let you know as soon as I find my train and I see what is happening around. So जैसे ही हमारी ट्रेन आएगी, हम आपको पूरा बताएंगे कि कैसे ट्रेन है, किस तरह की लगती है, राजधानी एक्सप्रेस है, और मतलब अंदर से कैसी है, बाहर से कैसी है, जो भी सीन होगा आपके सामने मैं दिखाऊंगा आपको सारी चीज़. So ये the journey is on the way. In fact, the things are happening around. बहुत कुछ लोग आते हैं, जाते हैं ट्रेन में, कुली है, लोग हैं, बहुत डिफरेंट लोग हैं यहाँ पूरे हिंदुस्तान में. It's a very fascinating kind of journey. You know, the journey by a rail train in India is very fascinating. Actually, you find so many people, and it's also adventurous. And many times, many things, good and bad, both happen together. So. It's not that always happy things are happening in India. Yes, sometimes something else is also happening, but that is a very temporary phase and very temporary things. So largely it's good, and it's a different experience altogether. And let's see, there's a water tap here, and these are benches here. So I sit here for some time and see. What is in the store. We'll report you back later. Bye.